Hi everyone, my name is Chris Greer and welcome to my course, Analyzing Network Protocols with Wireshark. I'm a packet analyst and trainer with Packet Pioneer, and I love digging into network problems at the packet level. I've spent years traveling all over the world helping people make sense of the traffic on their networks. Let's face it, packet analysis can be overwhelming, especially considering the enormous amount of data we need to sift through on the wire. I want to show you how to filter through that packet haystack, how to understand the core protocols that you see, and how to quickly identify common issues on the network. When a problem strikes, you'll be able to isolate and resolve the problem faster because you'll thoroughly understand the core protocols in play. Some of the major topics that we'll cover with hands-on exercises include the function of ARP, IPv4 and IPv6, the role of ICMP, DHCP and DNS, how FTP works, and HTTPS and TLS 1.3. By the end of this course, you'll be comfortable with configuring filters, creating profiles, and analyzing core protocols in Wireshark. Before beginning the course, you should be familiar with basic networking fundamentals and have a functional understanding of Wireshark. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn how to dig into packets with the course Analyzing Network Protocols with Wireshark here at Pluralsight.